my nuts. They're modernized. In usual ThyssenKrupp fashion, there's all sorts of crap all over the call button, to the point where a normal person would have no idea where the button is.
You know how often it happens when people actually don't know that the button is the silver thing without a label?
There genuinely should be like an up label on every up-down button. I don't know why that's not required.
Yeah, you got rails for these, but nothing for the... These are...
Yeah, the call rails are not required, and I just don't understand that.
That's weird. But they're so uptight about these.
There's so many ADA laws that don't really make sense, but there's like, that one is one that would make sense, that isn't in
Yeah,
effect.
the number of people I used to have to help when I was when I worked at the front desk at the hospital, I'd have to go over and be like, "This is the button."
At Porter?
Oh no, there's a castle.
Oh. I was like,
You can see the hospital over there. If you
oh, that Curvy building's the hospital?
Yeah.
I think that's a Bertrand Goldberg building. I swear that looks like Bertrand Goldberg. I swear.
Yeah,
I'd have to look that up.
over there,
Not that cement one?
Yeah, it's the glass building.
Okay, the cement one looks like a Bertrand Goldberg building, which is very weird considering it's in freaking Colorado.
Interesting.
Doesn't look like it on the map. These used to be Dover.
You never know, I guess sometimes it could. There's 3D sensors now. I wonder if that's like standard now. Is that like
I think it is standard.
We're just gonna go to 2 and
DMG contacts.
Yeah, I didn't know they were still using these DMGs either. These ones don't feel as bad as the ones that like push in really far though.
Geez, this one's really not going good.
Oh, are you getting like a flat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Refresh review. Is there traction to it?
Yes.